bonus room. At a luxury home in Eugene. It's up in the hills, so it's a little quiet neighborhood. There are a lot of luxury homes around. This house from the outside, I was not expecting it to be as huge as it is inside. It's a 6-bedroom, 4-bathroom house. The price is $925,000. So I will show you inside. I'll show you what I mean. And it's about 4,500 square feet, so it's huge. But I'll show you in. You'll notice that the house has a beautiful classic feel. There's a front sitting room that they've turned into like a little family room area. The ceilings are pretty high in this, so it makes it look very luxury. And I like the pillars that lead into the room. It gives it an extra detail that I just absolutely love. And then you have this front dining room. This is a formal dining room area, and it has this painted ceiling that reminds me of Michelangelo's Sistine Chapel. I think this will be a very fun place to entertain guests. And it would just be a fun place to have family meals in. It has a huge window that looks out into the front of the house. And I'll show you to the kitchen. So here we are in the kitchen. I've noticed that it has this wonderful green granite countertop. This looks like it's custom to the house. I've never seen it before. The island has bar stools. It's very modern. You can see the wood underneath here has been painted so that it pops. And then the countertops over here are quartz. This is also custom to the house. It has wonderful counter space and the storage underneath. There's a dishwasher that's very modern and looks like it just blends into the counter very well. Another thing that I love that we've seen in a previous home is the fridge that looks like it's part of the cabinets. This is just so beautiful. I love that it blends in. I just think that that's such a neat touch. But as you can see, you have another little dining room space. This is not the formal dining room, but still adorable. There's a little desk area right here that you can put a chair, have kids work on homework while you're cooking. Do that, you could put a hot tub up here. You could have a table and chairs. There's just so many uses that you could do with this. This living room area has a fireplace. I think the fireplace is probably one of the only things that I would really change on this first story. It doesn't really match the house the way the rest of the decoration is. I would maybe put new tile over it, just something that's a little bit more neutral and subtle to match the rest of the interior of the house. But other than that, this is a wonderful open space. You can see Eugene from this area because it's so high up in the hills. So on the main floor, as soon as you come through the kitchen, you have your laundry room, washer and dryer, there's a sink, there's lots of storage space. You have this little mudroom area that comes in through the 3-car garage. And the 3-car garage is actually deep, so you can put lots of things in it, store your boats and cars and equipment. We have a bedroom here on the main floor. We have the bathroom, which is nice. It has a sink and the toilet, but then there's a shower room in there that's cut off, so you can have multiple people using it if you need to. And if we'll turn back around, the master bedroom is very open. It has a window that looks out onto the patio where you can also see the sunset. A lot of room for anything that you want to furnish in this area. But the bathroom is just absolutely gorgeous. This standalone tub is one of my favorite features. I love tubs like this that are in their own little space next to the window. There's a towel warmer. There is a really deep walk-in shower that you can see, and that has brand new tile. It looks like marble on the little seat. There's a toilet with a door that you can close, and a walk-in closet. Everything in this house feels very new, especially the carpet and hardwood floors. It's all brand new. There's a double sink, with this lovely dark cabinet underneath. As you're walking upstairs, this little stairway is right next to the main part of the house. This is the only part that's upstairs. And it's like a little bonus room. It's like a little playroom. You can have, as you can see, they have like a teepee set up for kids. Anything you wanted to make it, it's just a nice extra space. It'll take you back downstairs. So in between the dining room and the kitchen, you saw the stairwell probably earlier, but I'll take you down. It leads down into this extra little living room area. This is like a commons area, little community area. Their workspace down here. But the backyard is even bigger than I thought it was. You have the grass down here. You have an extra place to put tables and chairs and a barbecue, and this is probably where you would want to put your hot tub if you wanted one. And then you have a bathroom over here that all the bedrooms on this side of the house will share. It has a shower, toilet, brand new tile on the floor, and they've turned it into a little sewing room. It's just a handy little space. We have another bedroom. And this one has a nice little area back here that you can put a desk. It has a big closet. The flooring down here is nice and new as well. And this one actually surprised me. This is another bedroom, but it has a bonus giant walk-in closet. Lots of space to hang things, organize. This is just a really great room. There's another bedroom with a very large window overlooking the backyard, and yet another bedroom with another window overlooking the backyard. And then here's the bathroom for this side of the house as well. Double sink, shower, toilet, everything you need. Everything is nice and new. So I hope you enjoyed this home. It's a luxury home. It is on the higher end, but it's very good for a beautiful home in the hills of Eugene that's in a quiet neighborhood, perfect for a family, perfect to have guests over, entertain, has a nice backyard. It's about on a half-acre of land, so it's very expansive for what I thought it was from the outside. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thank you. 구독, 좋아요 해주세요.